Hello there, and thank you for joining me for my review of the Oral-B Pro Vitality toothbrush. This is actually in the black one. It's got like a dotted pattern over it, if you can see that. It's just so that's like the rubber grip so that it's easy to grip, which is nice. So as we can see, inside the box, I had a bit of trouble getting in, but there's actually bits that you tear off on each side, and then you can just put your fingers in and pull it. So it probably won't take you as long to work that out as it did me. So inside the box, it comes with the toothbrush head, the toothbrush. The head comes separate in a little packet like this. So there's actually 2 of these included in the box. So you've got a spare one, which is nice. Then obviously it comes with the charger. So I actually like this because when it charges, unlike the one that I have, this is my son's that we've just bought him because he needed a replacement one, it doesn't have the flashing light while it's charging, which he found really distracting because he tended to charge it at night while he was asleep. So obviously if you've got the big green light flashing, it can be quite distracting when you're trying to get to sleep. So I much prefer one that doesn't flash. So if I just move this out of the way. So they've got quite funky toothbrush heads on these. They're like the deep clean brush heads, I think they're called. Yes, they're called the cross action ones. So he's never had these before, but he seems to be doing really well on it. They seem to clean his teeth better, which is nice. So my son seems to like everything black, so it was definitely we chosen a black one. But it does look really smart actually for a toothbrush. Obviously toothbrush aren't the most exciting of things, but it does look nice in black. So this actually has 3 settings. So each time you press the push button on the front, it moves up a setting. So it just say on the side, there's a sensitive plus setting, a sensitive, and then a daily clean for perhaps if you've got sensitive teeth or you've perhaps got sore gums or something, you can do it on a gentler mode. So you just press 1, sensitive plus, 2nd time for sensitive, and the 3rd time for your normal daily clean, and then once to turn it off. So it's really easy to skip through the modes, which is nice. So my son's had this for about 2 weeks now and he's getting on really well with it. So for the money as well, it's an absolute bargain. So my children have both been using electric toothbrushes for, I'd say, probably about 6 years at least. And these do tend to last really, really well. My son's still got the first, my youngest son's still got the first one that we've ever bought him, and it lasts and lasts and lasts. So I fully expect this to last many years as well. They're good quality, even though they are a reasonable price, and I wouldn't let them brush their teeth with a manual toothbrush now because they seem to get them so much cleaner, and obviously it's less effort for the kids, isn't it? Although obviously I do have an Oral-B toothbrush, not this as that one, mine's bright pink, but I won't go back to a manual toothbrush now either. And I've also tried the more expensive brands, but I did not like them at all. So I would definitely recommend this, for whether it's for yourself or your children or an elderly person, perhaps if that would be useful for the sensitive settings that perhaps got a little bit of delicate gums in their age. So if you buy this, I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. We're a family of all Oral-B toothbrush holders, and this is definitely a very good one. Thanks very much for watching.